Yo, good morning.
Good morning.
Buen dia.
Good morning.
You want to start the vlog today?
Yeah,
We can start now. Ready to go? Keep gunning. All right now. All right, guys. All right, guys. All right. All right. So, all right. All right, guys. Yep. All right. All right, guys. All right. All right. So, okay, boys. You got something to say, 40?
Yeah. Hi.
Welcome back, Gunners, YouTubers, subscribers. I am working on the interior currently, and it's coming out great. So I hope you guys enjoyed, yesterday's vlog with the seats. But we are moving forward, man. I think we're gonna knock out the interior 100% today, and then we'll move on to other stuff. But yeah, shoot me a like, comment, subscribe, man. Hit your notifications on there, hit that bell, and let's start gunning. Right now I'm working on the inside of it. Put the cup holder in, lining all this stuff up, just trying to put clean screws everywhere, just trying to swap out whatever old 10s for some zinced ones. So just working on that part. So I'm in here, I'm gonna knock this guy out. I don't really need to show you how to do this. You just basically have to line up everything to like right here and stuff. But I also painted those brackets, you guys remember. And just gunning. I took this seat out because we have to fix this slider handle. But we are working. Oh, he no hanging it. He working. Part number coming up, Gunners. Front brake pads. DX spindles. There it is. EBC yellow stuff. These are really, really good. These create almost, the least amount of brake dust. That's why I went with these. They are a little bit on the pricey side, but they're worth it. That's the front. So let me show you the rears. The rears part number. I'll get you there. Rear part number. There it is. This is for 99 2000 SI, basically EX rear spindles, whatever. Almost, it's the same shit. So put all fresh boots on it. Everything has been swapped out. New pins from Honda. New bolt from Honda. Yeah, I don't even brake clips. All right, pads are on. Everything's kosher. Everything's beautiful. It's moving and functioning well. This is tight. This is tight. This guy's tight. We're gonna start working on the back real soon. This one's almost done. It's all buttoned up. Did I give you the part number yesterday? Yeah, I gave you guys the part numbers for some of the brake stuff. This is the hard to get pin for the rear end clip. This pin, you guys know, that goes into, everybody loses this. I ended up losing both of them. Or maybe I swept them somewhere. But this is the pin for the emergency brake cable on the rear. This is the part number. Both of those brand new. And then this is the little clip for it. Here comes the part number. So this is all for the emergency brake cable to hold on to the caliper. And remember we had that issue to where the track tough thermostat, basically housing, whatever you want to call it, with the AN, it kind of stuck out too far. We needed to bring this down. See that? Now we're going to be golden when we build our coolant line. We're not going to bump into any issues with making our pipe for the front bumper for the intake. So I put on this K-Tune swivel thermostat housing. Just make sure you silicone as you go. I got silicone on this back end. We bought that one brand new also from Honda. I gave you guys that part number yesterday. I'll give it to you one more time because I see it. So this is K20 thermostat housing, basically. Real cheap. It was worth buying it brand new. And that's it. So we'll get some more adjusting on this. Probably gonna have to loosen it, swivel this either, whatever way we're gonna set up the radiator. It's gonna actually, obviously it's gonna go right here, but we're gonna try to figure this out. It looks like this is gonna be like a 45 coming down, and then it'll meet maybe a straight or another 45, but we'll get to that when we get there. So the reason he's grinding down those brake pads is because of the powder coating. It kind of made it, difficult to slide them on right here. Come on, focus up. So just, you'll see it, like you just have to clean it, just shave them up just a little bit, just clean them up, and they'll fit right in. But our hardware is on. Got this guy all nice and settled up, nice and clean. And that's it. We're almost done with the rear. Just got to work on bolting that side up. This side is ready to go for the caliper. We're going to lock in our emergency brake cables and we're going to be golden. Nice. See how much smoother that brake pad goes in? It's because of the powder coating is so thick that it actually, just tightens up this
you don't want that
diameter.
tight. They gotta have a nice little. They gotta
nice
move.
little play on them. Yep, perfect. But that's ready to go. Let's button this up and finish there. So, while installing these, it's very important when you're running, especially EBCs, because they squeak if you don't put this on. These are like basically like noise canceling pads, vibration pads, whatever have you. So make sure you install these on the front. Very easy to do. Watch this. So front pad, just line that guy up. It's 3M. Put that down. I'll hold it up. Finished. Now you can put your caliper on and you can begin bleeding. Right now we have all 4 valves wide open on all 4 calipers. We just poured in some brake fluid. We're also going to bleed the clutch while we're at it. So we're going to let this gravity bleed right now as much as possible to make our lives easier. And we're going to have to put that seat back in, Trap. So I can sit in there and pump. I got 2 pedals to pump. Pause. Drip. Fish on, boys. Fish on. Fish on. Gotta tighten that. We are ready to bleed the clutch, right? That's... Oh, yeah. Look at that.
Oh, already.
Already, baby. That was easy. Hold on. Let me let it build up a little bit. So try to gravity bleed as much as you can, gunners, before actually going. All right, I'm down. Yeah, that's it. Ain't no air in there. So try to gravity bleed as much as you can, and you're good to go. No, Trap, that's it. Is bubbles? No, perfect. No, that's it. Lock it up. That was easy. Done. It feels great, too. All right. Wow. That feels great. Oh, perfect. That's it. Leave it alone. Wow. That was super easy. I am loving these seats, man. Wow. These came out great. I'm telling you, man. Yeah, it's January. So we are starting to bleed the brakes, and you should always begin with the caliper furthest away from the master cylinder. Trappy is going to start on the passenger rear, and we are going to bleed these brakes.
All right.
How you doing back there? You getting fluid?
Yeah, I'm going to the other one.
All right,
This
sweet.
still got air, but I want to go to the next one.
All right.
We'll come back around and do another round.
All right. Last caliper. This pedal feels great, Trap.
Good. I'm gonna do another.
Do another round and we're done, but this pedal feels great. You locked up?
Yeah.
Look at that, gunners. Wow. Great. Now we just have to call Stefan from Stash and ask him how to correctly adjust this proportioning valve. But it feels great. We've got fluid in all 4 lines. Let me know when to go down. Trap, pause. Gunners, we got brakes. Just gonna work on more interior part. Rip that piece because this panel actually sits under the bracket. under the seat brackets, seat rails, whatever you want to call them. So we're gonna take that seat out, put that other plastic on that side. But we have brakes, Gunners. We have brakes. Thank God. Thank God. We will get to the proportioning valve, how to adjust it. Trust me, I'm not gonna forget. But seats are fully mounted in. Work on the panel right now. That'll help Trappy, and we'll get back to it. That break off is crazy, Trap.
Yeah.
That yellow to black right there. That's so clean. You put zinc bolts in there, bro. You really put the zinc bolts in there.
Yeah, man.
You really doing them like that.
If you're gonna do it, you gotta do it, right?
Why you gotta do them like that? Why you gotta do them like that? Take that for a ride, Trappy. Feel that clutch pedal, pause. Feel that brake pedal. Feel that shifter box. Yeah, that's soft. That's an Iron Man softy too. You see that? That's why I mess with action. That's why I mess with action, man. You ain't gonna have to be doing no leg day before you go. You ain't gotta do no leg day before you start driving your car. Let me see that shit real quick. That's butter.
Oh, what Vic you wanna see? What Vic you trying to see?
Don't show him too much. Yeah, Trappy, move that clutch. You always want to see that, Gunners. You always want to see that much movement right there. Nothing more, nothing less than that. That is perfect. Perfect. Final piece going on today, Gunners. Final piece. Go ahead, Trappy. Do the honors.
This is fire. This is rare. You don't even see this.
I've been waiting a while to do this part right here.
Yeah.
Ahí, cabrón. Final piece of the day, man. Great day today, man. Great day.
Nah, try. Stop playing.
Like, comment, subscribe. Keep going.